So the Players Chalk is normally $12, but it's 35% off. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 100%, which is the $12, it represents the $12, and subtract 35% because it's 35% off. So that's 65% of the $12. We need to divide this by 100, so we're going to move the decimal point over 2 places and take 12 and multiply it by 0.65. And when you do that, you get $7.80. Then the second step is to add in the tax. So if we come back over here, this $7.80 is now 100% of the item. We're going to add in 8.5%, and you get 108.5% of the sale price of the item. Divide by 100, so we move our decimal point over 2 places, and it becomes 1.085. So we are going to take the $7.80 and multiply it by 1.085. And when you do that, you come out with $8.46. Let's just check that, 1.085. Checking into my calculator, it's actually 8.463. And then this we need to round to the nearest cent. That's the 6. We look to the right here, that's a 3, so it stays $8.46. And that's your answer.